The program Giving Matters really reflects the character of our workforce. Everything we do in this environment matters, and philanthropy matters as well. And the $2.2 million that we've generated says volumes about the character of the people who work here. We recognize that not everyone can be philanthropic in gift only, so we also recognize gifts of their time.
There are all sorts of different ways for people to get involved. I'm very proud to say that Northwestern has been the largest participant at the Chicago Cares Serve-a-thon, which happens in June each year. Chicago Cares is a day of service where all sorts of different organizations from around the city get together and work with Chicago Public Schools and do service days. So they'll, beautify the schools. You could just imagine the smiles on the kids' faces when they came back to school that Monday and saw how beautiful their classrooms were, or saw the new playground. It's really very rewarding to be part of it. We also offer health fairs, which is a great opportunity for our staff to get involved and use their skills by coming and doing health screenings for diabetes, weight management, blood pressure screenings that go on out in the community. Employees can not only do these screenings and services, but also help with education around it. It's so great to see the impact that you can have on people's lives.
Can you guys tell time?
I volunteer with Chicago Youth Programs, a Chicago-based nonprofit that partners with Northwestern to tutor at-risk 1st through 8th graders.
So 6?
Tutoring is really easy. It's 1 hour, once a week, and it's on site. You don't have to drive a car, you don't have to get on a bus, you just walk over to Prentice and you tutor. Week in and week out, you get to mentor the students, tutor them, and watch their confidence grow. And it's really cool to be able to see that.
Schedule, right. People often, they schedule times.
The kids that complete the programming are much more likely to graduate high school and go on to trade school. They are also much less likely to become teen mothers and be involved in criminal activity. So you feel like if they can just get through this program, you can help them break the cycle of poverty. Okay? By tutoring one-on-one, it's one example of how one person can truly make a difference.
I know that one person can make a difference because I have been the recipient of one person's generosity. Most people don't know this about me, but I was born in Vietnam, and we had to leave Vietnam after the war, and my family's journey through America was made possible by the generosity of a benefactor. And through the generosity of this gentleman, the course of my life and that of my family's changed. I personally give back because it means so much. The fact that someone has changed my life and my course, I feel it's very important to help change the course of someone's life, even if they don't know. You can make a difference.
Every one of our employees can make a difference, and at the foundation we live by a very simple adage: the measure of a person is how they treat someone who can do nothing for them. By participating in Giving Matters, you reveal your character and how you're willing to help others.